Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable taskbar notifications in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the settings you need to adjust your notification preferences. Once your emails have loaded, navigate to the top of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see a File tab at the top left corner. Go ahead and click on File to open the main menu. This is where you'll find access to all of Outlook's core settings and configurations. After clicking File, the menu will expand and display various options. Direct your attention to the bottom part of this menu where you'll see an option called Options. Click on Options to open the Outlook settings window. This window is your control center for customizing how Outlook behaves, including how and when it notifies you about incoming messages. When the Outlook Options window appears, you'll notice several tabs listed on the left side of the window. These tabs organize different categories of settings. Look for and click on the Mail tab. This section specifically handles all settings related to how your emails are sent, received, and displayed. Now, within the Mail tab, you'll need to scroll down through the various options until you locate a section called Message Arrival. This is the key area where Outlook controls how it alerts you about new emails. Here you'll find several checkbox options that determine what happens when a new message arrives in your inbox. In the Message Arrival section, you'll see two specific checkboxes. The first one says Show an envelope icon in the taskbar, and the second one says Display desktop alert. If you want to disable taskbar notifications, simply uncheck both of these boxes. This will stop Outlook from showing that envelope icon on your taskbar and prevent desktop alert pop-ups from appearing every time a new email arrives. Disabling these options can be helpful if you find the constant notifications distracting or if you prefer to check your email on your own schedule. Once you've unchecked both options, look at the bottom right corner of the Outlook Options window. You'll see an OK button there. Click OK to save and apply all the changes you've made. This closes the settings window and ensures your new notification preferences are now active. From this point forward, Outlook will no longer display taskbar notifications when new emails arrive. And that's it. You've successfully disabled taskbar notifications in Outlook, giving you more control over how and when you're alerted about new messages. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.